to change brake mode. First, you need to take off this. Here you have torques 20, T20. Here you have two clamps. And three. And this is the brake bulb. The brake bulb have two filament, like this, two filament and two connectors. You must push and rotate to left. And with the new one, the same. Push and rotate to the right. But in my case, the bulb is not good because these two guide is not parallel like the broken one. Maybe I have one to here with two filaments. Yeah, this is in parallel. I think this is for Mercedes. This is the same. You have one each side, and the other side is not like in the left. Anyway, push and rotate to the right. After that, all you need to do is push and rotate light. Okay. After that, this one must go through here. The plastic bag. And that's it. Bye.